Welcome back to my Naming the Notes series of videos. This is video number 4. And I'm just going to recap what we've done very quickly in the other ones. So we've talked about the musical alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, how it starts again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We also wrote it down on our board. We've got our FACE here, which helps us get it quickly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then we need our ledger line for our top A, for our top A. I also asked you to make your own. Really easy to make. Just draw some lines. And I've used 1p pieces, so I've made sure that my lines fit in a 1p piece. I also did some scales starting on different notes. For example, starting on the F. Okay, this is all helping us to get good at saying the notes starting on different numbers. So, starting on F. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Or if we carried on going up. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. And we called that an octave because it had 8 notes. Let's put it in quickly. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now in the last video we talked about the piano and how the pattern of notes has 2 black notes and then 3 black notes. And I told you how to find the D with the dog kennel, the D in the middle, and then go back one to find our first note in the pattern, which is the C. D, C, going back down the musical alphabet. Okay, again, it's good to have something like this just to help you. D, C, you can see you're going down one. So we can now make a scale. I'm going to add my 8th note. Okay, so C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now I've got it there. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And that's our C major. We talked about the major and the minor. The major sound is more jolly. We have lots of songs that nursery rhymes and songs that are in the major. And they sound kind of jolly. Whereas minor sounding things sound a bit more melancholy, a bit more sad. Okay, that's the minor, but we're talking about C major scale. Now, I'm going to show you now how to write this C major scale, exactly what we're doing now, onto our stave, onto our boards. Okay, so I'm going to put this up here and pull this down here so we can keep them both together so we can see it. Now, this C here on the piano is called a middle C. Now the middle C on a big piano is somewhere in the middle, as you might expect. Here. On this keyboard, it's a small keyboard, so it's here. Okay? It's kind of quite a low note. This is a higher note. These are higher Cs. Okay. So on my piano app, I'm going to open now. Here's the middle C. Okay, so it's actually the first note on my app. Okay, so I'm going to keep that over there. Now I've got to find out where to put this middle C now on my stave. So I'm going to put my D first, next to the dragon down here, D. Now I've got to go back one to find my C. So this is the dog in the dog kennel, and I'm going to go back one to find the C. So I've got to go lower, but I haven't got any more lines, so I need to put one in. So let's put my ledger line in. So I've now got my C, my middle C. Now this is super important in music. The middle C, it's here on the piano and it's here on your stave. So we're going to go C. Now are you getting good at counting up your musical alphabet? C, D, what comes next? Well done. Okay, let's say it together. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. That's your 1 octave C major scale. Very important for playing tunes. Okay, but so we can play all sorts of tunes with this C major on the piano. But now we want to also write some songs that we can then play on the piano. Okay, so we're going to do Frere Jacques. C, D, E, then it goes back to C. Okay, now you want to get your board now and do the same. So get your coins and you want to get your little matchstick. Now, can I find my matchstick? Has it gone walkabout? I think it has. I use one of these instead. Okay. Now, there's my middle C. C, D, E, C. Beginning of Frere Jacques. Do, 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 do. Now I'm going to do the next bit. Do, me, vu, C, D, E starts on that one. So I'm going to go E. You get it. E. What comes next? Do, do. Can you say the letters? Do, E, F, G. Well done. Okay, so that's one song. Now let's do another one that we know. I'm going to do this one. Which we all know as perpetual motion. So I'm going to try this one, but it's not like on the violin that starts on the A. We're starting now on the C, aren't we? So we're going to say do, 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 do. Still the same pattern going up though. Do, do, do. Same. Back one, going up again. Do, same. Now what are the names of what we've just written? C, D, E, E's gone back one to the D, E, F, F. It's really good practice if you can say it. So try saying the notes now. Do, 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 do. C, D, E. Okay, great. So we've now connected our C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, to our notes on our stave. Okay, we're doing really well with our music theory. So join me again for step 5 in learning about the note names.